In this Excel tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how you can prepare an Excel worksheet for printing. So go to File and click Print. As you can see, some part of our Excel is not included in this part because this Excel is not yet modified for printing. So how can we do that? So go back to the Excel worksheet and go to page layout. First, you have to select the size of your canvas or your paper. Let's say for this example, I'm going to choose A4, A4 paper size. Then the orientation is landscape and the margin is narrow. You can go customize margin, but for this I'm just going to choose narrow. Then once you print it, let's say still doesn't show some part of here. So what we can do is go to this bottom part here and click this page break preview. As you can see, page 1 is only on this part. So what you can do is hover over to these grid lines. As you can see, there's a forward and backward arrow. What you can do is click this and drag it to the right. So the page 1 will include this area. Okay. Once we go to File and Print, we can see now that the data here is included. So when we go, now we have page 6 until page 6. Let's say I want this header to be on the same page as here. Let's say I want the header to be also on the page 2 through page 6. We have to go, in order to do that, we have to go to Print Titles, click Print Titles, then choose rows, select the sheet and choose the rows to repeat on the top. Okay, click this, then select this, then hold the click button or the click mouse, left click and drag it down to the this area. Then press enter and press OK. So once you print it, go to File, Print. You can see the header now will be repeated on the other pages. Let's say go to page 2, page 3, 4, 5 through 6. So that's how you repeat a header in the same paper or into different papers in the printouts. What you can also is select a portion of it to print only. Let's say go to print, and this is the active sheet. You can also choose from here, let's say as print selection, which is the selected part only. So let's say we have this, I want only to print this portion here, so click and drag it there to this cell, then File, Print. See, then I will choose print selection. It will print only the selected cells. That's another way to print. Also, you can also print selected table, print entire workbook. And for some I use only the print selection and print active sheet almost every time. In this option, you can also change the page setup. Let's say I want to make the object to be bigger, so you can adjust the arrow up, or you can add, or you can put the number, let's say 100, then press OK. It will make the data that you want to be print bigger or smaller. Say we want it to be 50. That's okay. So that's how you can customize your printouts. And what else you can do is, you can, from this page setup, you can adjust the margin, the portrait, the header. Let's say we want to add a header. Let's add a customized header here. This is where you can add customized header, but for this I'm just going to choose for the default header here. Let's say I want to add a page number, page of, you can choose different, but for this I'm just going to choose this one. Then press OK. So it will add a page number there. Say now I'm in page 1. Let's go back there. Then File, Print. Let's choose the print active sheet. Now let me make it bigger. 60. I think that's okay. Now I'm on page 1 of 6. It's a good way also to put a page there for us to mark which page we are. So how many pages are there in this cells or worksheet. You can go back here. Also, you can choose this page layout, another option. Okay, you can see I'm just pressing Control here and mouse scroll down, and you can see the spreadsheet there, or the Excel spreadsheet. So this is the tutorial. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will be notified for the upcoming video tutorial, and thank you for watching.